Hi, I'm Lauren from Hilo Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to use the conditional form fields plugin for Elementor Pro Form. So to start, to use the conditional form field plugin, it's easiest if you have already got your form all the way built out, including any fields that are going to be conditional. So for this case, I've got are you the patient? Yes or no? And then the conditional form field is the question after that, which is if no, please describe your relationship to the patient. This question will only show up, this field will only show up if a user answers no in the previous question. So I'm going to show you how to do that. To start, I like to change the name of I change the ID of the form field that sets the condition. So in this case, it's the are you the patient, yes or no. And I'm just going to change that to yes, no question. You can change it to whatever you want. I just think that for whatever reason in my testing, the plugin works best when you change the ID to something other than whatever the default that Elementor gives the field. So now I'm going to go to my next question, which is the conditional field. If no, please describe your relationship to the patient. Let's make this actually a text area because that might make more sense in this case, but it doesn't matter. And then we're going to set the conditions. So the three choices you have are always visible, show if, or hide if. For whatever reason, again, in my experimenting with this plugin, it seems to work best if you go with show if, but you use the negative. So I will show you how that looks. Just gonna copy it. So I've got yes, no question, right? Which is the ID from the previous field. And then we've got an exclamation point with an equal sign directly after it. That basically means does not equal. And then I've got two sets of empty quotes. So that just covers if there's no input in that question, are you the patient? And then a second line for another conditional expression, which is yes, no question, does not equal yes. So basically what this is saying is if it doesn't equal nothing and it doesn't equal yes, to show this field, right? So that means if the user selects no, that's how that will work. It's important to use the same case and spelling and everything for your options. Otherwise this plugin will not work. So I'm just going to hit update, and then I have the page open in another tab here. So let's just see what happens. Are you the patient? Yes. Nothing should happen. That's exactly what we want. Are you the patient? No. There we go. If no, please describe your relationship to the patient. And then if I click yes again, it disappears. So that is how you use the conditional form fields plugin for Elementor Pro Forms. There you have it. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, make sure to hit up my email. I'll make sure to leave all the important details down in the description below. Bye.